Just looking at some of the stuff out here got to be cleaned up. Oh, there's plenty of plumbing tools in here.
Coming in and plumbing too.
Yeah, look at this.
They're coming in and plumbing too.
Yeah. I got to clean all this stuff up.
Yeah.
Look at all these pipes. I gotta put this stuff in something. Wow. Look at all this plumbing stuff.
Yeah. Coming in there, man. Huh?
Yep.
Coming in there.
Look at all this new stuff too.
Yeah, coming in and you need it.
I gotta put all this stuff up.
Put it all up because you don't need it.
That's something. All this stuff came with the van.
Huh?
I said all this stuff came with the van.
Yeah.
And so, I need to get a box and just start taking it, separate it.
Put it in a box.
This stuff buying at the store probably costs a couple $100.
Yeah.
I got to set up a space for it. Set up with all these little brackets.
You know something about plumbing?
Man, I don't know nothing about plumbing. But I know one thing. Copper pipes and stuff. Must be my radio. So that must be my radio.
Must be.
Like a foot valve.
Just put it in. Just put it. Yeah. Just put it. Put it.
Yeah.
Where your windows.
I got to separate this stuff
Yeah.
and put this stuff up. All that stuff up in the window. Well, at least the storm didn't blow the tree on this. I said, at least the storm didn't blow the tree on the van. So, all right. Let me get started.